Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a tea party in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my watch and we're going to go to the party menu and select tea party, and we can add tags right here if we want. I'm going to select healing, fun, passionate, dreamy. Oops, we can only select up to tags. I'm going to click on save, and we can set the join permission, invite permission, and share to party festival. Okay, and once we're done, we can click on throw party, and I'm just going to select invite only and self only, and I'm going to click on throw a party. Okay, I've just created a tea party. I'm going to enter my house like this, guys. Okay, and then I'm going to start now. Oh, requires at least 2 players. Yes, I need to wait for the players. But yeah, that's basically how you can throw a tea party in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.